Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Apps and Notifications over here and tap on Advanced. Then choose Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like Location. Then select an app. I will go with Booking.com and click on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow all the time, so when I go back, as you can see, Booking.com just gained access to this device location if I'm using this app. But you can always just pick any feature and select app that you are interested in, like for example Maps. Then click on See All Maps Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!